Most business owners I speak to haven't actually built a business. They've built a high pressure job for themselves. You started this for freedom, right? The business for freedom. And now you're the bottleneck. You're the one answering the emails at 9 p.m. on a Sunday because it's just quicker if you do it. So today I'm going to show you a framework to move you from being the chief everything officer to a proper managing director who can actually take a fortnight off without the wheels coming off of the wagon. So in the UK, we tend to pride ourselves on mucking in, but that's exactly what kills the growth. I want you to look at your diary for the last week and split your tasks into 3 columns. So the first one is the admin trap. So chasing invoices, booking travel, basic data entry. This is the sort of stuff you can outsource immediately. Find yourself a good VA. In the Philippines, Nigeria, South Africa, they've got great VAs. Trial 2 or 3 and see how you get on and pick the best one. The second part of your task would be your operations. This will be your client meetings, you're managing the team. This will be the working in the business. And this is what you need to delegate to your team. Find the people who are looking to take on more responsibility. Most people, you'll be surprised, will happily take on more responsibility. And then the third part of your task, this will be your high value zone. You're working on the business, your strategy, the high level partnerships, your vision for the business. This is the owner's work. This is where you want to be staying. So think about the review and release methods. Business owners I speak to always complain about people coming up to them and asking them for permission. Have I got this right? Have I got that right? To fix that, do the following: stop advocating and start releasing. So first off is set the brief, clear expectation. What's a good job look like? And what's a hard deadline? Get them to repeat it back to you so you both clear on expectations. Then check-in points. Don't hover over them, making sure that they're not on their phone. Set specific times and review progress. And in the final sign-off, you provide your own 10% at the end to polish it to make sure it meets your business standards without you having to do the heavy lifting. There's a thing called the hesitation problem in Britain. We're often a bit too polite about underperformance. If your team isn't stepping up, it's usually because you haven't given them the space to fail. Real investment isn't just about the bottom line. It's about investing your trust in the people that you've hired. If you're wondering if your business would survive the 90-day holiday test, watch one of my next videos. And if you're ready to stop firefighting and start leading, then subscribe for more strategies here on scaling your business in the UK. Have fun.